Welcome to my house. Today I will teach you home vocabulary in English. Let's start.
This is my living room. Here I watch TV and chill. Here I check my phone. Here I read books every day. This is a couch. This is a cushion, Catherine. This is a bookcase. This is a clock. This is a shelf. And here are some books. This one is my favorite. This is a notebook. This is a pencil. This is a pen. This is a lamp. This is a plant. This is a curtain. Now let's go to the kitchen. This is my kitchen. Oh, that's my mom. Hi, Mom. This is an oven. This is a stove. This is my fridge. Here I save my water. This is my freezer. Here I make ice cubes. This is a kettle. This is a peeler. This is a toaster. This is a can opener. This is a microwave. This is a countertop. This is a rolling pin. This is a blender. This, a strainer. This is a grater. This is a pressure cooker. This, a ladle. This is a cutting board. Okay, that was my kitchen. Now let's go to my bedroom. This is my bedroom, and this is my bed. Here I sleep, take a nap, relax. This is my night table. This is my closet. These are blinds. This is my mirror. This is my mattress. This is a drawer. This is a hanger. This is a comb. There are my slippers. This is my mattress. This is my brush. This is a blanket. This is a sheet. This is a duvet. Duvets are spongy, thick, and we use them in winter. This is a quilt. This is a pillow. This is my dresser. This is foundation. This is a lipstick. This is mascara. This is powder. Is an eyeliner. Okay, now let's go to my bathroom. This is a sink. Is a tap. This is a mouthwash. This is a liquid soap. This is a toilet. This is toilet paper. This is a shower. This is a scrubber. These are tissues. This is a straightener. This is a hairdryer. This is a toothpaste. This is a toothbrush. These are tweezers. These are cotton swabs. This is a razor. This is a bucket. Okay, let's go to the dining room. This is my meal. This is mustard. This is jam. This is vinegar. This is a hot sauce. This is mayonnaise. This is ketchup. This is soy sauce. This is a fork. This is a glass of wine. This is a glass of water. This is a teapot. This is olive oil. This is a salt shaker. This is a spoon. Well, let's review today's vocabulary, okay? What's this? It's a notebook. What's this? It's a magazine. What's this? It's a cell phone. What's this? It's a couch. What's this? It is a TV. I turn it on. I turn it off. It's rectangular. It's black. What are these? They are blinds. What's this? It's a curtain. What's this? It's a pen. What's this? It's a hanger. What's this? It's a cushion. What's this? It's a tweezer. What's this? It's a soap bar. What's this? It's a toilet paper. What's this? It's a hairdryer. What's this? It's a straightener. What's this? It's a brush. What's this? It's a hanger. What's this? It's a remote control. What's this? It's a bucket. What's this? It's a razor. What's this? It's mayonnaise. What's this? It's a mouthwash. What's this? It's a cotton swab. Well, that was my house. Now I have to go do the shopping. See you in the next vlog.